Today I will show you how to make these viral captions inside After Effects. Okay, so first things first, right click this area, New, then create a text layer. Type in what the subject in the video is saying. You can hit enter or the return button on Mac to move one line down, and then you can write more captions here. To customize the text, you can download this font that I'm using right now, or you can use any font you like. And you can change the color of the text, but I will stick with the current color for now. So to add the glow effect, go to the effects panel and search for the drop shadow. Like I said, we're not gonna use any plugins. Let's also add the color key effect, and you will see why we did that later in the video. Just make sure to put the color key setting above the drop shadow for this to work. Next, hold Alt and click on the stopwatch of the shadow color setting. Now drag this icon here towards the key color setting, and then press anywhere else. Okay, now set the distance of the shadow at 0 and then set the softness to 10. After that, select the drop shadow setting and hit Ctrl D to duplicate it, Command D for Mac. And now change the softness from 10 to 50. Then duplicate this effect again and set the softness to 100. And then we're gonna duplicate it one more time and set the softness value to 200. That's how we get that glow effect. And here's the thing, if you're not satisfied with the coloring of the glow and you want to change it, you can do that with the color key instead of going through every single drop shadow layer. Now we can move ahead and add the first animation, which is the fade upwards animation. To adjust the duration or length of the fade, select your text layer and hit the letter U on the keyboard. And then you can adjust the keyframes on the timeline.
You are the absolute best in the world.
Go back to the effects panel now and search for an effect called increase tracking, and apply it to the layer. Make sure to put the last keyframe at the end of the text layer. Then double click on this keyframe and set the tracking amount to a value of 7 or something slightly above that.
You are the absolute best in the world.
Now to fade out the text, simply search for fade out slow in the effects panel and apply it to the layer. And ideally, you should put the starting frame of this effect at the exact frame where the fade upwards animation ends. Slight voice crack there, but we move on. So yeah, this is how it looks so far. You can then Ctrl D this layer to duplicate it, place it at the next line of dialogue, and you can write other captions. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and feel free to watch this next tutorial.